Hi guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass top. It's an ARE Impulse model. Fits the 9906 Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. Not in too bad a shape. It does have a little bit of a paint damage here. Got some paint damage there. Small nick up there. Top looks pretty decent. Not seeing any major damage on the top. Through here. Front edge looks pretty good. Bottom edge looks nice. Not seeing any damage on the bottom edge of this one here either. A little bit of a scuff right along this edge here. Really not too bad shape. Has a half side sliders on the side. Front has a sliding front window in it. Front edge of this, got a small nick right here. Does have some scratches here on the top. Edge there. A couple chips here on the side. The bottom edge looks pretty good. No, not seeing any problem with the bottom edge. Got a little bit of a crack there in the trim. No, it's just a scratch on the trim there. Sliding window slides open to allow access to the cab bed. This side, the paint doesn't look too bad on it. Top and edge, the top edge, both look pretty good. Down through here, this has a scratch right there. Bottom looks pretty good. Not seeing any major damage on the bottom here. Has a half side sliders on this side and the other side. Single T-handle locking rear door. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Screens are in pretty good shape. Not seeing any holes in this side. A couple of small of them right there in the front, but looks pretty good. Other than that, sliding window in the front. And a small hole in the screen right there. A couple little nicks in the screen right there. Other than that, oh wait, there's one down here. And a hole right there. Other than that, it's not too awful bad. Does look like it probably leaked at one time, or maybe it leaks now. There's got some stuff. They look like they tried to seal that up. If anything, it'd be taken back out and put some foam behind the cap windows. But looks like the windows may leak a little bit. Seal's coming off on the inside out there. But some silicone will probably cure that pretty decently, and then some fresh seal behind the frames. So there it is. It's cab high fiberglass. It's an ARE Impulse model. Fits the 9906 Chevy GMC model trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. It's code 50 Summit White. It's cab high unit. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. All that stuff can be done there. There's also a link to our website in general, so you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, things like that. That can all be purchased online as well. As with all our units, truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick them up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.